How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. In this guide video, I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure, so make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, what you want to do is, the first step, you simply want to come to the search bar and open up settings. As you're here, you want to go to display from the page, and then you simply want to go ahead and click on display resolution. You want to then select the recommended one. Once you've actually done it, so you could also go ahead and make sure that display orientation is selected, landscape, after which you then need to go to advanced display options. Once you go to this, you want to make sure that your edge depth is selected to 48. If not, you could also go with 60. Try doing this and see whether that will be able to fix or not. The step number 2, what you could also do is, the other thing, you actually want to go ahead and close Roblox completely. And next thing, what you have to do is locate a Roblox player, right click on the mouse, go to open file location. Then you're gonna come to this Roblox player beta, right click on the mouse once again, and come to properties. As you open up the properties field, you want to go to compatibility. Make sure that run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 is selected, as well as run this program as an administrator is selected. Once you've done it, so click on apply, click the OK button, and save the changes. Now then, you want to restart your PC and try launching Roblox by right clicking and then click on run as an administrator. That should be able to solve your issue. If the issue still persists on, you simply want to uninstall Roblox and then reinstall it. For that, type in add or remove and open up this. Now locate Roblox and uninstall Roblox by tapping on the 3-dot icon right in the corner, and once again restart your PC and then reinstall Roblox. That should be able to solve your issue all at once. So this is it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.